Hi, I'm Adriana, and I'm doing an internship with mentally disabled people in a day center in Austria, in Viena. I studied social and healthcare, and it's been great so far. Everyone is so nice, and they always try to help you with everything and make you as comfortable as possible. I've been really appreciated, and you have many things to do, many activities to do in the place. In the city, you can visit a lot of things. I've made so many friends. Everything is just so nice. I really recommend it to everyone if you can go and have the opportunity. I really recommend it.